Shall we disappear now, my love? Shall we take the wheels and run, love? To the densest forest, come, let's go. We can build a secret hideout. Only me and you can find out when a friend or foe or beast can know. Round the fire we can dance discreetly, crack a bottle of wine. When it dies our way, we'll still be lit by moonshine. Seems like a lifetime apart right now, to be sure, but in the blink of an eye we could be there. We've done it before. Come with me, accompany me down to the murky waters towpath. Set our gazes free to drift enemy. Let's not leave unless we must, love, 'cause I like it here so much, love. This Gongoozling for two so sweet. After dinner we can go dancing to our favorite band. Then we stumble back through the dark to our trusty old van. Seems like an age away from Rio, while we're here suffocating, but we can snap our fingers in a moment, be gone. Shall we take the dogs out walking over Devil's Dyke to Folking? Watch the winter sunset on the downs. See the city silhouette appear. We're a million miles from fear, just us four on top of the whole world. After dinner we can go dancing, just like the old days. While away the hours, 'cause we're laughing so much at our mates. In the early hours of the morning, tiptoe up the creaky staircase to the safety underneath our duvet in our favorite place. After dinner we can go dancing to our favorite band. Then we stumble back through the dark to our trusty old van. Seems like an age away from Rio, while we're here suffocating, but we can snap our fingers in a moment, be gone. We can snap our fingers in a moment, be gone. Do-do-do-do-do. 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 Thank you so much.